Data access and connectivity is the backbone of modern operations. If you think about the way that we traditionally did networking and connected resources to each other, it was always within this castle and moat approach. We had a data center where everything was interconnected. We knew where our servers were. We knew where our data was. We knew where our end users were because most of the time they were inside of an office space that was connected to the data center. They might have been in remote, but usually we asked them to connect through some sort of private tunnels. They were basically the same as if they were inside of our own four walls. So in a modern world, in modern operations, all of that's changed. Not only are your capabilities no longer in just your data center, they may be in a public cloud provider. They may be in a third-party hosted environment. They might be delivered through a SaaS application. And your end users are spread all over. Events of the last 2 or 3 years have really also shown us that users can be in a variety of places. They can be in their home, they can be in a coffee shop, they can be in a lot of different locations, and their ability to get to just the things they need, but to get to it easily and to get to everything they need has changed that entire model. So now, in addition to being able to make sure that people can securely get to what they need to, we also need to know who they are so that we can connect them to their resources. We need to be able to connect the resources that we may have in a data center to resources that are in a public cloud that may need to talk to each other. We need to also think about things like IoT devices. The other thing we've seen a huge rise in is being able to integrate systems that are inside of a retail store or a hospital into the broader network where maybe a patient wants to see it or maybe a doctor wants to see it. Those people need to be able to see different things for different reasons. And being able to make that all work seamlessly so that the users have a great experience and so that your data is protected is a core principle of data access and connectivity.